Shri Krishnaya Vasudevaya Hare Paramatmane Pranata Kleshanashaya Govindaya Namo Namaha Om. Hey guys, very good morning to everyone. Uh, this is Sanjeev once again with a new video today. And today we will learn about something new. Okay, so I have got a table of data over here in front of me. I hope my screen is visible to everyone. And in this data, as you can see in this column A, I've got employee ID. Okay, so there are, I can see total 14 employee IDs in this column A. Okay, so what I need to do is that I've got these 14 employee IDs in multiple rows, okay, in the entire A column. So I want to put all these employee IDs one by one, separated by comma, in one particular cell. Okay, not even in the entire row. I just need to put all these data in one particular cell separated by comma. How we can achieve this purpose, let us see today in this video. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to select Control C, this entire column. We'll open a new sheet, Control V, we'll paste it over here. Okay, now from this row, okay, that means column B, row number 3, we will start putting in comma. Okay, so I have put comma over here, control down arrow, then shift control up arrow, control D. So comma got copied in all the, this comma got copied in all the rows, okay, except for the first row. In the first row there is no comma. Okay, now let's start the calculation. I'll put plus sign, plus or is equal to, whichever sign you want you can use. I normally use plus sign. Okay, so I'll put plus sign and then I'll select this this first employee ID and I'll hit enter. Okay, then in column C, row number 3, I'll again put plus sign and then I'll select the second employee ID. I'll put ampersand sign, then I will select this comma in the B column. Yeah, I'll again put ampersand sign, then I'll select this first employee ID at the very top in the C column. I'll select this one and I'll hit enter. Okay, now control down arrow, shift control up arrow, control D. Now you see I have copied, I have reached this goal where I have all the employee IDs fitted into one particular cell only, separated by commas. Now I can't see that number from here. Actually you can see the final output is in this column, in this cell. You will see the final output in this particular cell, but when we click on this cell, what we see only formulas. Okay, but I want to remove this formula and I want to see the actual value. Okay, so what we will do, we will copy this, control C, and we will do paste special and remove the formula and keep the value. So paste special and value. Okay, now you see once now when we click on this number, this yellow cell, we see the formula has been removed and only number is visible. Okay, one after another. So the entire 14 employee IDs got shifted to this particular cell. All the employee IDs is now shifted to particular this cell, to this one cell, and all the employee IDs are separated by commas. Okay, this is one thing we achieved. Now if we have to go back to this position, okay, so from this particular cell, if we have to copy all these employee IDs again back to this original form, that means if we have to put back all these employee IDs in the same form in a particular column, then how we will do? Okay, first of all, we will copy this entire cell. We'll go to a different sheet, we'll paste this cell over here. Okay, so this way I have this particular cell which I have this particular cell where all the employee IDs, okay, all these employee IDs are mentioned in one particular cell, not even one row, it's just one cell. In one cell I have fitted all the employee IDs, and all the employee IDs are separated by commas. Okay, now if I have to take back all these employee IDs to this original form, that means if I have to arrange these employee IDs in a particular column like this, then what I'll do, I'll press Alt A. Okay, so I'll press Alt A, let's do it once again. Alt A P T, enter. So the table dialog box will open up. We at the right hand side I can see source and changed type, so I'll remove this change type. Okay, and then I'll go to this split column option. At the very top I can see there is a split column option given. Click on this split column option, click on by delimiter, and delimitation was by comma, right? All the employee IDs are separated by comma, so comma will be there by default. And then we will go to the advanced option and we will choose row, then we'll hit OK. After that we'll go to this close and load. Now you see all the employee IDs now back to their original form. They are all fitted back in one particular column, like it was here, like all the employee IDs are arranged in a column. So we got the data back arranged in a particular column. So that brings us to the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you have any question you can always leave a comment in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos and updates. Thank you very much.